Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful if you want to share downloadable resources like guides, brochures, or any important documents with your visitors. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and on your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear. From here, click on Website. This will take you to an overview of all the websites associated with your account. Now you can see all the websites you have on your Wix account. Take a moment to look for the specific website where you want to add your PDF. Once you've identified the right site, look for the Edit Site button on the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to making changes to your website's design and content. You'll be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to add and customize elements on your site. From the left side menu, you'll see a button named Plus Add. Click on it and the Add Element window will appear. From here, look for the Buttons section. You'll want to add a button to your canvas by dragging it to wherever you'd like it to appear on your page. This button will serve as the download link for your PDF. Once the button is added to your canvas, click on it. A customization menu will appear at the top of your screen. From here, look for the link button and click on it. This is where you'll configure what happens when someone clicks your button. Under the link configuration, click on Choose a Link. Then from the selection on top, you'll see several options including page, section, web address, and document. Choose document. This tells Wix that you want to link to a file rather than a web page. Under the Document Customization tab, click on Choose File. This is where you add the PDF. You can either use a file that's already in your site or use the Upload Media function to add a new one. If you wish to use the Upload Media option, you'll have several choices. You can upload from your own computer, from your Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, or a link URL. For this tutorial, we'll use computer. Click on Upload from Computer, and a file explorer will appear. Select the PDF file you wish to add and click Open. Now you'll need to wait for a while for the file to finish uploading. Depending on the size of your PDF, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the upload completes. Once the upload process is done, click on Choose File and you will see your PDF added to your document link. Your button is now configured to open or download the PDF when visitors click on it. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Wix website, making it easy for visitors to access and download your important documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.